let f bar is the vector which is the function of f bar is the equal to f1 I plus f2j plus f3k, where f1, f2, f3 are the function of x, y, z. Let f bar be a vector point function which is defined and differentiable at each point x, y, z in a certain region of space. Then the divergence of this vector point function is defined as divergence of f is the del on dot product of del with f bar is the del dabba by x into I plus dabba y into j plus dabba z into k. In the one bracket, in another bracket f bar, taking the scalar product with f bar is the f1i plus f2j plus f3k. यांचा स्केलर प्रोडक्ट dabba x of f1 plus dabba y of f2 plus dabba z of f3. That is the partial derivative of f1 with respect to x, partial derivative of f2 with respect to y, and partial derivative of f3 with respect to, that is the divergence of f dot product of del with f bar. Divergence of vector point, divergence of this vector function is a scalar. This is the scalar, this is the vector, and त्याचा divergence घेतलं की हे काय होईल, scalar point function. If f bar is a vector point function such that divergence of this vector point function is 0, then say this vector point function is a solenoidal. When divergence of this f bar is 0, then we say it is the f bar is a solenoidal. Second, curl. Let f bar is the vector point function whose component are f1, f2 and f3 along with I, j and k, which is defined and differentiable at each point x, y, z in certain region of space. Then the curl of this vector point function is defined as curl of f bar is the del cross f bar and is defined as del cross this f bar. कसा असेल, कसा डिफाईन केला आहे, इट इज द डिटर्मिनंट ऑफ फर्स्ट रो इज द आय जे के, इन द सेकंड रो dabba x प्लस dabba y अँड dabba z, अँड थर्ड रोमध्ये एफ बारचे कंपोनंट f1, f2 अँड f3 अलॉंग द एक्स वाय झेड ॲक्सिस. आता कर्ल ऑफ एफ बार म्हणजे हा एक्सपांड डिटर्मिनंट एक्सपांड करू, आय इंटू this dabba y f2 and dabba z f3 minus j dabba x f1 dabba z f3 आणि plus k into this dabba x f1 and dabba y f2. आता I into partial derivative with respect to y of f3 and partial derivative of f2 with respect to z minus हे minus f3चा partial derivative with respect to x minus f1चा partial derivative with respect to z into j plus k into partial derivative of f2 with respect to x and minus partial derivative of f1 with respect to y. This is the coefficient of I, j and k. हा मायनस 7 पाठवू आपण, आत काय होईल, dabba f1 by dabba z minus dabba f3 by dabba x into j plus dabba f2 by dabba x minus dabba f1 by dabba y bracket complete k, and here is the dabba f3 by dabba y minus dabba f2 by dabba z into I. This is the curl of f bar. The curl of vector point function f bar is again a vector point function. Curl of vector point function is again vector point, and divergence of vector point function is the scalar function. आपण मागच्या ह्याच्यात बघितलं. If f bar is the vector point function such that curl of f bar is 0, then f bar is called as the conservative or irrotational. If the curl of f bar is the 0, then this f bar is conservative or irrotational. आपण examples बघू. If f bar is the vector point function of x, y, z equal to x square zi minus 2y cube z square j plus xy square into z k. Divergence of f bar at point 1 minus 1 1 and find the curl of f bar at the point 1 minus 1 1. Given f bar is the x square z into I minus 2y cube z square j plus xy square z into k. हा एफ बार आहे वेक्टर पॉईंट. ह्याचा काय घेतलं आहे, डेल घेतला आहे. म्हणजे डायव्हर्जन्स ऑफ एफ बार हा डेल आणि हा एफ बार हा काय असेल, डायव्हर्जन्स म्हणजे काय असतो, डॉट प्रॉडक्ट म्हणजे डी बाय डी एक्स ऑफ फर्स्ट कॉम्पोनंट, डी बाय डी वाय ऑफ सेकंड कॉम्पोनंट अँड डी बाय डी जेड ऑफ थर्ड कॉम्पोनंट आणि प्लस विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स 2x आणि झेड ॲज इट इज. याचा पार्शियल डेरिव्हेटिव्ह विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू वाय, वायचा 3y² 3 × 2 6y² आणि z² प्लस याचा विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू झेड 1xy², 2xz minus 6y² z² plus xy². दिस इज द डायव्हर्जन्स ऑफ एफ बार. हा जनरल झाला. ॲट पर्टिक्युलर पॉईंट 1 minus 1 1, put x equal to 1, y equal to -1 and z equal to 1. 2 into 1 into 1 minus 6 into y is the -1 bracket square, z is the 1 square, x is the 1, y is the -1 bracket square. 2 into 1 into 1, that is the 2. -1 square plus, that is the -6. And here is the -1 square plus, that is the 1. 2 minus 6 plus 1, that is the 3 minus 6, that is the -3. That is the divergence of given f bar at 1 minus 1, 1 is the -3. Now find the curl of f bar. Curl of f bar is the del cross f bar. It is the determinant of, in the first row ijk, second row contains dabba by dabba x, dabba by dabba y and dabba by dabba z. And third row contains the component of f bar, that is the x square z minus 2y cube z square and xy² z. त्यानंतर हा डिटर्मिनंट एक्सपांड करू आपण. I into partial derivative of this quantity with respect to y minus partial derivative of this 2y cube z square with respect to z minus j into partial derivative of x y square z with respect to x minus partial derivative of x square z with respect to z plus k, deleting this row and column, partial derivative with respect to x of this minus 2y cube z square and minus partial derivative with respect to y of x square z. ठीक आहे. त्यानंतर विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू वाय म्हणजे 2xyz आणि याचा मायनस मायनस प्लस विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू z 2 4y³ z मायनस जे विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्सचं 1y² z मायनस इथं विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू z1 मायनस x² विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x ॲबसेंट 0 with respect to y absent 0, k into 0 minus 0. Thus we get I into 2xyz plus 4y³ z. Here is the y² z minus आत पाठवलं काय होईल, x² minus y² z into j आणि लास्टला तर 0 into k असेल. This is the general curl of f bar. Now we want the curl at 1 minus 1 1. Then put x equal to 1, y equal to -1 and z equal to 1. I 2 into 1, y is the -1 and z is the 1 plus 4 into y is the -1 raised to 3 into z equal to 1 plus x is the 1 square minus -1 square into z equal to 1 and to j plus 0. Here is the 2 minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 raised to 3 is the minus, that is the -4 plus, and here is the 1 minus with minus plus and this minus 1 into j. 1 minus 1 is the 0 and 2 minus 4 is the -6, that is the -6i. That is the curl of f bar.